Nexo is a coin that is presently exchanged at 60 cents per unit, with the market capitalization of $337,566,779 that makes it a low-position digital currency. Computerized resources like Nexo have currently for the most part turned into the point of convergence of consideration for retail financial backers and examiners. Yet in addition for by and large huge institutional financial backers who see Nexo and the remainder of digital currencies as in every practical sense, compelling in a real sense support against expansion that negatively affects the worldwide economy. Consequently, having basically a piece of the portfolio gave to crypto is for all intents and purposes an unquestionable necessity for any dealer and financial backer who needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years basically. Be that as it may, with it comes the need to intently follow the advancements on the expressed market to understand what is happening, and especially have some feeling representing things to come. This Nexo cost expectation model most certainly was made to assist the peruser with exploring through the quickly developing crypto space, track down the best coins or tokens to explicitly put resources into, and keep the value been developing. Yet, prior to digging into the overall Nexo investigation and cost forecast, we might want to help you to remember the fundamental principles of digital money exchanging and venture. So, we should zero in on the Nexo market, its ongoing standings, as well as the mid-term and long-haul cost expectation that depends on the readings of our exclusive crypto unpredictability file. Right now, the cost of Nexo remains at 60 cents, and this specific advanced resource stands firm on the 74th foothold in the worldwide digital currency positioning. For your data, the positioning of each and every digital money generally is vigorously dependent on its ongoing business sector capitalization and costs, and basically is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most exceptional data on the resource being referred to. Likewise, to get a superior handle of the market circumstance and grasp the overall course of the pattern, or to enroll its non-attendance, it's additionally essential to dissect the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Yesterday, on June 17th, the cost of Nexo remained at 60 cents at the end of the everyday exchanging meeting, which comprises a 1.11% contrast when contrasted with the extremely current cost 7 days prior. On June 11th, the Nexo market remained at 62 cents as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members. As the outcome, the cost most certainly moved by 0% comparable to its current standing. A month prior, on May 18th, Nexo was valued at 68 cents, which concurred with our cost expectation for that specific period. Contrasted with the current place of Nexo, it addresses a 12.67% cost move. These figures ought to yield you some knowledge into the ongoing business sector structure, while our top-to-bottom cost gauge certainly depends on the appearances of 114. Yet, to grasp the general sort of capability of Nexo, or some other cryptographic money besides, it's critical to sort of consider the cost vacillations as well as changes in the market capitalization of the said advanced resource. With regards to digital currencies, market capitalization serves more as a sign of the coin's offer or predominance, in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its general prominence with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers. Numerous digital currency merchants view market capitalization as a critical marker to be considered prior to settling on exchanging choices. It, in every practical sense, is determined by duplicating the absolute number of coins that are right now available for use by the ongoing cost of Nexo, which, as currently referenced, as of now sort of stands at 60 cents. Considering that recipe, we have determined the ongoing business sector capitalization of Nexo to be at $337,566,779, which legitimizes its place as the 74th coin among those present on the digital money market. Yesterday, on June 17th, the market capitalization of Nexo remained at $338,822,443. Keep going week. On June 11th, the aggregate sum of capital gave to Nexo was laid out at $347,532,658. The information from a month prior, enrolled on May 18th, shows that Nexo in a real sense had a market capitalization of $385,398,888. On the other hand, while the market capitalization of Nexo fills in as a generally obvious sign of the size and the presentation of the evaluated cryptographic money, it could not in a real sense be the proof that the exchanging volume on that market is created in adequate amount. As will be made sense of later, the volume could be pivotal while deciding the possible heading of the market and the strength of the expected cost development in one or the other course. The market capitalization and the occurrence of a computerized resource could be impacted by the quantity of dynamic exchanges inside the comparing blockchain network in an unobtrusive manner. Countless exchanges of some random day might actually siphon up the cost impressively, which would bring about a quick lift in the market capitalization of the hidden resource, whether or not there have been positive changes in the project's basics. Media publicity in a real sense is likewise the component that could sort of apply a substantial effect on the situational evaluating of a digital currency and even lead to the hazardous yet unverified bullish meeting that generally finishes with a flowing cost dump, while the market capitalization would continuously follow the cost activity, or so they generally thought. Subsequently, make a judgment with respect to a coin, likely simply based on its current market capitalization and consistently concentrate on the verifiable information connected with this measurement. Absolute stock focuses to the quantity of coins that have previously been mined, stamped, or generally made and are either flowing available or secured in engineers or alternately holders' freezing wallets. In every practical sense, complete stock likewise considers any coins that have been scorched to keep a solid expansion rate. It tends to be contrasted with the quantity of remarkable portions of an organization that is public on the securities exchange. The complete stockpile of Nexo at present stands at 1,000,000,000 Nexo. As currently made sense of, the flowing stock is the most ordinarily utilized in every way that really matters metric for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to. It compares with in a real sense the best estimation of the general number of coins that are public on digital currency trades and for the most part add to their liquidity. Their volume does exclude the coins that basically are vested, marked in shrewd agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or explicitly put unavailable for general use in a significant manner. The coursing supply is fundamentally what might be compared to the drifting stock of offers in the financial exchange, which is genuinely critical. At this moment, the coursing supply of Nexo is assessed at 560,000,011 Nexo in an exceptionally significant manner. Also, the perusing of exchanging volume can help one sort of decide better passage and leave focuses in light of the fact that as per the standards of specialized examination, huge cost moves, pattern inversions, or unions frequently most certainly happen at the cost levels that really are joined by generally high volume, since those essentially are the volumes where enormous cash had come into in a real sense play. As indicated by our information, the exchanging volume on the Nexo market was as per the following. Throughout recent hours, the exchanging volume related with the Nexo market added up to $3,427,868. Yesterday, on June 17th, the normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting added up to $3,909,999, or so they thought. 7 days prior, on June 11th, the power of Nexo exchanging all through the meeting came to $4,867,603. This information and the events on the Nexo graph can assist you with evaluating for yourselves the current circumstance available and the possibilities of the cost heading in the kind of current course or making an inversion.